Hello, welcome to VolkerLaser Specialist through Innovation eBridges presentation. My name is Graham Stanford. I'm the Proposal Engineering Team Lead, and I'm going to be making this presentation today. And if you want to solve any problems, come and talk to me directly using the contact details below. VolkerLaser are a leading structural repair and refurbishment contractor working in the sectors of rail, ports, infrastructure and building. We turn over approximately 55 million a year. We have an accident frequency rate of 0 at present, and we employ approximately 220 people. We have 4 main divisions: a special projects division, which carries out bridge deck waterproofing, joint repair, coatings, impregnations, etc. The steelworks division, which undertakes steelwork repairs, blasting, painting and coatings on small projects. Our major projects division, of which you can see a picture of in the background here, where we do undertake cathodic protection, concrete repairs, brick stitching and repair, etc. And finally our temporary works division, which is also combined with the major projects to a certain extent, where we carry out temporary works design, surveys, reports and specialist systems to undertake bridge bearing replacements or structural refurbishment or access systems, VDEC, fast beam, etc., which I'll come to. Our bridge capability is very much involved around early contractor involvement, temporary works design, concrete repairs and surveys, specialist access system, of which the picture you can now see is of fast beam, and that's one of the access systems we employ to do this. Again, combined carefully with early contractor involvement and temporary works design. If we start with fast beam is a revolutionary temporary works solution for parapet edge reconstruction and repair. It can be fitted very quickly to a project, and you can start working safely and immediately. Here you can see it being installed in 2 different ways. First, connected to the deck using fixing down bolts, and the second using kentlage, where we use weight to hold the system in place. We can follow this by our VDEC underdeck access system, a very light, very flexible way of getting access onto a structure, very light, 0.3 kilonewtons per meter squared, but also very strong, taking 3 kilonewtons per meter squared up to 5 kilonewtons per meter squared, depending on how it's designed. You can see a very clear working platform, you can see good edge protection, you can see a deck that works very, very quickly for you and will save money on prelims and safety boats and all those sorts of things. Very, very good. I'm going to take you to some of our case studies. Eastcliff Dover, a large bearing replacement and temporary works design job, being very successful and is actually on site at present. M1 junctions 21A to 23A, one of the first uses of fast beam, again very, very useful, very, very quick. We carried out concrete repairs, removal and replacement of parapet railings, very successful job. The M2 Stockbury Viaduct, where we utilised a large sway frame to support the bridge whilst we hydraulically jack the bridge, remove the bearings and replace them with new bearings. M5 Oldbury Viaduct, one of the largest concrete repair projects ever carried out in this country, worth £27 million to us as a company. And Bletchley Flyover, where we're carrying out an incredibly large project to remove 13 spans of the Bletchley Viaduct flyover. A very, very, very good project. And then a slightly smaller project where we're using VDEC on the Near Bridge, where we're using that to help Tasaka remove the timbers on the bridge. And finally, all of that would be no good if we couldn't visualize what we're doing before we do it, and that's where we utilize our BIM and 3D design department, where we're carrying out an incredibly large amount of jobs, but visually on the computer before we're doing it in the field, but utilizing that in the field to help managers and operatives understand what they've got to do and when they've got to do it. So thank you for that. If you've got any inquiries, please give me a call. I'd be more than happy to help you out.